Garlic, the pungent bulb that has graced kitchens and remedies for centuries, is often misused despite its widespread popularity. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or someone seeking its health benefits, you might be among the 95% of people who aren't getting the most out of their garlic. Let's dive into the right way to use garlic and why it's essential to fix your garlic routine. The garlic misconception: crushing it wrong. First off, let's debunk a common myth. Many believe that simply tossing whole cloves into dishes or mincing them right before cooking is enough. However, the secret lies in the way you prepare garlic. When you crush or chop garlic, it triggers the release of allicin, the compound responsible for its health benefits and robust flavor. But here's the catch: allicin formation isn't instantaneous. The fix: after crushing or chopping garlic, let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. This resting period allows allicin to fully develop, ensuring you get the maximum benefits and flavor. Rushing this step means you're missing out on garlic's potential. Cooking at the wrong temperature: garlic's delicate compounds can be destroyed by high heat. If you've been sautéing garlic until it's browned or adding it to high-temperature dishes too soon, you're likely diminishing its health properties and flavor. The fix: add garlic towards the end of your cooking process, or cook it on a lower heat to preserve its nutrients. For instance, add crushed garlic to a sauce just a few minutes before it's done, or stir it into soups after removing them from the heat. Storing garlic incorrectly: storing garlic in the wrong conditions can lead to sprouting or spoilage, reducing its effectiveness and taste. The fix: store garlic in a cool, dark place with good air circulation. Avoid storing it in the refrigerator as it encourages sprouting. A meshed bag or a garlic keeper is ideal for maintaining its freshness. Using garlic supplements instead of fresh garlic: while garlic supplements are convenient, they often lack the full range of compounds found in fresh garlic. The process of making supplements can destroy some beneficial compounds. The fix: whenever possible, opt for fresh garlic over supplements. If you must use supplements, choose those that ensure allicin release and are minimally processed.